pallbearers, members of the congregation, welcome to another funeral. I never thought I'd see the day that I'll do this video, this funeral video. Samsung Galaxy series of devices is going away. But why? Why Samsung is killing off the Galaxy Note series of devices? This is supposed to be the win-all, be-all devices for content creators, business owners, people that like to write content on their devices. The most powerful phones on the planet is going away. But it's a little light at the end of the tunnel. Let me explain. Welcome members of the congregation and pallbearers on deck. We're here for another funeral. I'm Easy, the tech preacher, here to preside. The Galaxy Note series of devices supposed to be going away in 2021. But why? Why would Samsung get rid of the Galaxy Note, the most powerful devices on the planet? Why would Samsung do that? Well, it's not all bad, and we're going to talk about it. The Galaxy Note series of devices is supposed to be the win-all, be-all. I got the Galaxy Note 1 here. And when this device came out, a lot of people laughed at it, say it was too big, too complicated. Software was something that we didn't want, but it grew on people. Business professionals, content creators, college students had a digital notebook in their pocket. For content creators, we had the best cameras on the planet. For business owners, we could jot down documents and sign PDFs and do a lot of things with the Galaxy Note. It's different having the Galaxy Note. But why would Samsung kill off the Galaxy Note? But we saw this coming. Galaxy S8, Galaxy Note 8, they bridged the gap. They came out with DeX. I didn't understand why they came out with DeX on the S series of devices, knowing that should have been an exclusive feature for a Note series. The Galaxy S series of devices for the average consumer, right? It's not for the upper echelon, business professional, college student and stuff like that. The S series of devices want to give you good hardware, good specs, good price, but not all the added features. The Galaxy Note was the dominant one. The Galaxy Note series of devices is the one that the business owner wanted. But why kill it off? The Galaxy Note 8 was a turnaround, in my opinion, of what Samsung was trying to kill off the Galaxy Note series of devices. You think about this. When the Galaxy S9 came out, what did people say? They say the Galaxy Note 9 was nothing but a Galaxy S9 with a pen. That's it. Then when the Galaxy S10 came out and the Galaxy Note 10 came out, the gap was even bridged closer. It was just a device with a pen and pen software. That's it. Nothing unique, nothing different. And even in 2020, with the Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy Note 20 took a step back. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, again, a Galaxy S device with an S Pen. And of course, Samsung did some changes with the hardware, but it had the same specs. It was the same device. And now we're hearing that Samsung finally go pull a cord on the Galaxy Note series of devices. But why would Samsung do that? Why would Samsung get rid of the best device on the planet? Why? Why not just make the Galaxy Note an exclusive device that have exclusive features that the Galaxy S series doesn't have? Well, I can tell you why. The Galaxy Z Fold series of devices. We're hearing that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is supposed to have S Pen support. Ha! Now we talking. And we also heard that the Galaxy S21, the Ultra series of devices, will have a welcome digitizer with S Pen support. So when you think about it like that, why have a Galaxy Note series of devices when you're going to give the S line of the S Pen, the S Pen software, and you give your ultimate device, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 pen support and pen software. Now, that is a difference. Now we start to see the difference between the S series and the Note or the Z Fold series. So, all is not lost. This funeral is not a bad one. This funeral is awakening. This is a rise. This is something different. I applaud Samsung for making a change. So pallbearers, members of the congregation, even though this is a funeral, this is awakening, this is change. We have to embrace change. Let's get rid of the old and come out with something new. And let Samsung take care of business. Samsung better take care of business. So, as we say our last goodbyes, it's the ending of an era and the beginning of something new. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note, the end of an era and the beginning of something fresh. See you guys on the next video. Peace.